the second video on creative writing. Let's explore how can you become a creative writer. In this video, we will be composing some show not tell sentences using the exciting, interesting adjectives which we have learned in the last session to up-level our writing. What does this show not tell mean? That means is you will create vivid images in the mind of the reader. To make it easier, you can use your senses to write show not tell sentences. Now close your eyes and imagine you are with this monster. What could you see? What did this monster look like? Each night, I dreamed, I dreamed of a something, something, something creature. Now we can add a range of adjectives here. We can use multiple adjectives, so we will be using an expanded noun phrase here. We can define this monster as petrifying, terrifying, scary. So let's use terrifying, 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 colossal, colossal, turquoise, creature. We can define the action of this monster, and we can use a powerful verb here. We can say thrashed, thrashed, thrashed in the water. Let's write another expanded noun phrase to describe this water. We can say cold water. We can define as blue water, freezing, blue water. And what happened after that? This beast, thrashed in the freezing blue water. And what would be the impact of that thrashing? That created, this is another powerful verb here, created, that created. What did it create? What do you think? What it might be? Created Liquid, liquid, mountains. Oh, what are these liquid mountains? Yeah, we are using a metaphor here, calling the waves being liquid mountains. Each night I dreamed of a terrifying colossal turquoise creature thrashed in the freezing blue water that created liquid mountains across the ocean. Let's add more detail. Across the the ocean. Now the question is, how did this ferocious beast feel? You can start your show don't tell sentence with an adverbial opener. Let's get started. So, in the blink of an eye, this vicious, dreadful monster, the dreadful monster um, became became indignant, indignant, indignant because. So we are going to give a reason because. Remember, we have talked about the imaginary shocks, hideous shocks, the hideous sharks. We have defined the sharks. What did they do to this monster? Now, what did they do to this monster? Sliced. This is a powerful verb here. Sliced. What did they slice? The mammoth tail. Mammoth tail with webbed spikes. Webbed spikes. What happened after that? What do you think? That turned. That that turned crystal clear. Crystal clear water into pink slush. Into pink slush. Oh, it reminded me the white slush days after the snowfall. Wow, this is another fabulous example of show don't tell sentence with a lot of exciting detail. Now your reader can not only read but can see images emerging in his head as well. Isn't it brilliant? Now tell me, what did the beast sound like? What did you hear when you saw the monster in your dream? Let's start with an adverbial opener once again. Certainly, certainly, it's thin, it's thin, venomous, ton, slit, from, edge, to, edge, the wicket, the wicket, wicket, about, open, what happened next? So the mouth opened, hissed, hissed, and splattered. We are using powerful verbs again. Sticky, 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 green, slime, slime, at the racing, ravenous sharks, ravenous sharks. Now we have used an adverbial opener. We have described its tone. We have used powerful verbs, slit and hissed, and more detail here, H to H, and the description of its mouth, hissed, another verb to describe its sound, spluttered, sticky green slime is an expanded noun phrase. Then we have ravenous to describe the hunger of the sharks. Ravenous is a quite good word. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. See you in the next video. Bye for now. Please remember to subscribe to this channel.